Introducing the all-new Segway Supervillain, the first hybrid all-terrain vehicle with an advanced and revolutionary hybrid powertrain. Featuring a 2000cc turbocharged engine with a 70-kilowatt electric motor powered by lithium batteries. This seamless integration empowers the Supervillain with unparalleled power, performance, and optimized fuel efficiency at all times. The gas engine and electric motor work together to power the wheels. When accelerating, the electric motor complements the engine, delivering an additional power surge. While in motion, the engine powers the wheels and concurrently recharges the batteries with power. When slowing down or braking, the kinetic energy is captured by the electric motor and stored in the battery for future use. The advanced suspension was designed to create a comfortable ride, even on the most extreme terrain. Its precise engineering with ultra-responsive damping and customizable settings deliver optimal control and performance. Experience the thrill like never before. Discover the extraordinary, drive the exceptional. Next-gen off-road has arrived. Segway, fear no place.